In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete connections on LinkedIn. If you want to clean up your network or remove a connection request that hasn't been accepted yet, LinkedIn gives you a simple way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can manage pending connection requests quickly and confidently. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your profile. This is a good starting point because it helps you to access the part of LinkedIn where your connection activity is easiest to review. Once you're on your profile, take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct account and that the page has fully loaded. Now, before moving forward, it's important to understand one detail. If you don't already have an active connection with someone, or if the request is still waiting for the other person to respond, then it will appear as pending instead of showing up as a regular connection. That means, in this case, you're not removing an existing accepted connection yet. You're managing a request that has not been completed. Next, click on Pending. This section shows the connection requests that are still waiting for action. If you've sent an invitation by mistake, changed your mind, or simply want to keep your network requests organized, this is the place you'll want to check. The pending area is useful because it lets you review outstanding invitations before they turn into actual connections. Once you find the request you want to remove, click on Withdraw. This tells LinkedIn to cancel the invitation you previously sent. Withdrawing a request is helpful if the invitation has been sitting there for a long time or if you no longer want to connect with that person. Keep in mind that after you withdraw it, the request will no longer remain active in the pending list. After that, click on the highlighted area shown on the screen. This is the final on-screen action that confirms or completes the process in the interface you're viewing. Make sure you select the correct item before proceeding so that you only affect the request you intend to remove. And that's it. You've now removed a pending LinkedIn connection request. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to review your pending invitations from time to time so your account stays organized and your networking activity remains intentional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.